Let's explore trends shaping the pressure control equipment market. The market is projected to reach $11.52 billion by 2032, growing at a 6.8% CAGR over the forecast